The Territorial Army Home and Heart he atir chuan aum ti po kan hrelo ani amaro chu Delhi te kan han sin zeu zewa min lo khil beng vara ti chuan ama saberin kan Home Minister Union Home Minister ka soi puya min lo phur pui khop maya ti chuan Prime Minister hena soi ro tia Prime Minister kan soi pui le a ani point min lo phur puya Defense Minister isoi pui tha anga tia Defense Minister ka soi pui le a chumi nuwa chuan Army Chief nena min refer kan Army Chief chuan Mizoram House ama ngein min ron tlo a chuan atuk lama an ina breakfast ho turin min soma da chuan kan vakala ka thian tene breakfast pain abangla kan final ta ani ber maya reilo te chungin he thil hi kan ti puitling theya Mizorama til masaber ani a ti hianin battalion puitling kan la nei chho anga abul kan tran chau ani a tuna hian vacancy za thumvel alaom ti ni china khan brigadier khan soy kan ngai thla a chu zoi in ata tolin kan la chho don ani tin hi army yang chi ani a athra maya amaro chu Indian citizenship nei Mizoram citizenship nei diktak te saulut se kan dua a recruitment a po ti le huna hin kan film khur tual dona ration card te po kan demand chho to don ani asan chu ti ra khan a Mizoram khwale tuini lo India khwale tui diktak po ni lo te po ang mo document lem mangin an lo lut ti country a hi om to lo nan he top kan chu don ani kan min zo du ten de le min zo wala tuna hianin hei mun thuma an oma champai lunglei le ai zola company pathum an oma a recruitment ron boy pui tu lo ni to sa te ne khan an oma kan chunjom zelanga amara chu a battalion headquarter pui tling tur hi hei hi aram chu kan nei to ni village council thren khatten a thonin ram thale de umin petoa champai lampang ani omna tur hi chu ram rishul kha athabera champai district lama khiang kanda mai theya chu amun develop te thil tam tak sum tam tangai tur ani wangin central sarkar ne kan lain be chunjom zela
battalion puiting anni theida tur gan huna tur reng
adurei thokhatanga first batch sin lo suanga an training an ron suanga an join nga chuan an next batch kan tile zelanga ain ta tolin kal chodon
So is the state planning to expand the initiative in the coming years?
Yeah.
So any timeline for the next batch, or when do we expect the full establishment of the TA company in Israel?
Well, I can't just really fix the time for that, but the first batch they have gone the training, and as soon as they finish, they complete the training, then the second batch will go. Like that, in a phased manner, it will go on, and it will take some time.
So now we see the effect also. The new recruits, where are they going to have those trainings?
Yeah.
Within the state or outside the state?
Within the state. And maybe if it is necessary, will be even outside also, because the facilities are much better there.